Bien, no feel.
Mingla lo actually did there ba.
Hey.
In more than Jaga you're coming. Perform actually soul fish. SOLE. Soul fish. But Gami actually did there ba. In sumo wa then against anything Ghana. Last year in Ghana. In a town lo neko. Then when you send anything shop come here, I may loan. The woman in Kabamba you come to bang coming. Come get it all. Did ever, you know? Mingla machine. In a deep fryer, be a long about deep fryer, you know, can she within 10 minutes a bit. They can come in. I can boil me. You know, coffee.
Don't do.
Coffee.
Don't do.
Coffee. Now be a joy. Lala Mologe, what me fagbe, Kaya Heko, any more fair more, Anna Misha, Ashe, Amo, Niabasani. What me fagbe, Kaya Heko, any more fair more, Na Misha, Ashe, Amo, Abasani. In my way, into my way, Uswan Mansa, Kashinte, Gamakasi and Niente, because I'm a quarter. She in yes, what you also Ajumangu, she and what you told you, Ashrenango. My phone is also at Banco Lagajian, Ashrenango, Nagajian in yes. If you are short. When I mean bloody deba, talk bloody deba, washing me, wow, me shallow, we are born again. What you need, you what you need, you again, many of you. A badge, Tinny 20, near 20, one national Kishkato, Mokawa Beak or Kume, you know, she can't feel no feno. Bible like the money answer all things. She can't let Abuzani, she can't know if you're no feno. When you're 20, you want to go. Then I fish. Bye bye. Yo, mene hoba, Nima hoba, Nama hoba. Mene median chengbi, for me hoba. I told me the quarter. Kwashi anumla kujo pote anumla kujo ele samlana te paleo mi ndike bi ashile ni kwashi jimi ye chef yu ke hanye megabe mene boye ye ijwe hia hunke nga ka teacher original denche inkele wosusu he ni wonake game esani womi woteshi Ga-Dangme kenke game ito Ga-Dangme Sani woteshi ni wo mi awon hin ni wo tun ni eja ke ko te pupa straw to adon aye ganfomo bi na ti oshilebi na jo tun na bata agbona ye hekome na bata shi na ba yin sheku na ba hwe na ba abana mi hye ke afia ko to ba no fagba no te oba na kan gbeme no ye hekome no e be hye This and wo Ga-Dangme wo mashi. Jewi you mo mimpe, ma ye wo nuchi mo mi. O mi awo hin, ni wo tuni, ke shushan ba twa shushan. Ke o bigbe bi akaba school, akama ya school. Ka mo ba ho, ke sebo ba ho. Ke komi, alo banko ba ho mo. Mi amo hin, e ya ke wotashi, ni boy joshon, waka ko se meji ame. Chame ba na ba choni, na me na shika da me machine awuji, na me choni bi o le awuji, na me mo me hwe wo chunu. Ni odehe abiji wo. Donc on est ming panye fay panye bele fay ming panye fay nyani wo fe woti ashi ke o ba wo Ga-Dangme wo machine e nyani wo woti ashi ni o ke nuchumo afi wosuni meni ismo na me fagbe ni fagbe meni ismo na achuni meni ba to that refui lawyer fui ni bi straight up ni awon hin ni mo chi awon e ja ke wo pese Beko de wo ka chegana mamumfe wo ka dani kwante menye wose mene wo laje wo wi mo tetepo ebo o mi panye fai impanye belify impanye fine no kwafi impanye fine ya ofe wo mi awon ofe mi na nche nye me mofe onye sanwo fi no koyi ni wo Ga-Dangme o mashi muchuno keshikana mo. So it's a Sunday, it's British Sunday, the sun is out, absolutely beautiful. I'm sat in my garden, having a little barbecue and a few beers, and I'm just sending a quick message to my tribe, the Ga-Dangme people. Particularly, I'm Ghanaian and I care about all Ghanaians, but this visit goes particularly to the Ga-Dangme people. And many times, because we live in the capital and it's cosmopolitan and people come from different places to live with us, we tend not to put a lot of effort into working or into prosperity, because we expect those who come here to work and serve us. But it's imperative and it's important. The time has come for us to all wake up and start working. If you want to be a shoe shine, a cobbler, if you want to sell at the market, if you want to travel abroad and work, if you want to, whatever it is, be diligent at it. Let money come into our tribe, okay, so that we will redeem ourselves, because our language is going, our culture is going, our people are becoming completely non-entities. So I'm begging you from the bottom of my heart that we should all wake up. This is the time. I can see the Ga-Dangme is waking up, and I want to push and add my voice and my shoulders to the wheel to make sure that we all become prosperous and successful as a tribe, and that we will be and in turn or in return we will be beneficial to our nation, to Ghana as a whole. I think I'm here with Ghana teacher, my wife, Ga-Dangme, the original Ghana teacher. And she's taking the video, she's giving me signals there. Thank you to everyone. Enjoy your time, enjoy your Sunday. Work hard, play harder, and save money. Invest into your children's life and your family's life. Thank you. God bless you. Did you know that the word komi, the Ghana traditional food, one of the Ghana traditional foods, came from the word cornmeal? Cornmeal. The original word of this food is uting, but it was corrupted as the Ghanaians lived alongside the colonial British people, and then they called because the meal is made from corn, they called it cornmeal, and then over time it changed to komi. I know dideba, soulfish, chicken and pork, domedo, kewolo nasha, pear, chili, and then the
pear,
avocado pear, and then kenkey itself, which is komi, kenkey, cornmeal.